Hello my loves, my name is May and welcome back to my travel diary, and in today's video I am going to share to you the third day of our South China trip. This is the last city that we will be visiting here in mainland China before tayo mag-proceed ng Macau. Because Macau is where we're gonna be departing from pabalik ng Pilipinas. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Zhuhai City at ang una natin pupuntahan will be the Jinshan Cableway, where you will see a panoramic view of the city and yung Macau makikita niyo din, at saka yung sikat na bay nila dito, which later on will pass by as well. We booked this activity through our tour guide, pero kung magdi-DIY kayo, pwede din yan siya, and mas makakamura din kayo actually kung magbubook kayo online or dito na directly sa Jinshan Cable Way. We booked this activity through our tour guide, pero kung magdi-DIY kayo, pwede din kayo mag-book online, like sa Klook, nakita namin to, or dito na din, meron silang ticketing booth. Pagpasok nyo is the waiting area until it's your turn para doon sa cable car, and makikita nyo rin dito yung tourist service center if you have any questions for them. Meron din convenience store if you want to buy some snacks and refreshments, and if naiihi kayo, na andito na din yung CR nila. Maraming area dito na pwede nyo nang pag-picturean, just like this one over here. Yan, maganda na yan siya. Makikita nyo na yung overview ng Zhuhai City. This time, pinauna muna kami ng tour guide namin doon sa area where we can take a picture, tapos yung background is the cable car. So, meron sila ditong telescope din. So, pwede nyo yan siyang gamitin. So, this is the Opera House, which later on we'll be visiting. But for now, enjoy the view of Zhuhai City. After you enjoy the beautiful panoramic view of Zhuhai City, papunta naman tayo sa most exciting part of this activity, which is the sledway or alpine coaster. Na it's one of the ways para makababa kayo ulit doon sa main entrance. But if this activity is too much for you, pwede naman din na mag-cable car na lang din kayo pabalik doon. You have to keep your ticket kasi yan yung ipapakita nyo sa staff either dito sa sledway or yung sa cable car. Sa isang sled or coaster na ganito, dalawa kayo nasasakay. So if you can see these levers, yan yung ipupush nung nasa likod para umandar yung coaster. So ang ginawa ng staff dito, ginawa kami ng isang mataas na train. So yung lahat ng nakatoka na mag-push ng levers, kailangan sabay para walang maiwan. And that's it. Tapos na siya, mabilis lang talaga kahit mataas naman yung route. Probably we were just very fast, kaya nakakabitin din naman. But it was super fun, it was super enjoyable. So you have to try this if you are in Zhuhai City. Aside from the beautiful panoramic view, mag-enjoy ka talaga dito sa coaster na to. Nag-lunch muna kami before kami nag-proceed sa Fisher's Curl statue, which was our next itinerary. Pass by this Love Lighthouse, and it's one of the famous tourist spots where you can take pictures and see the beautiful coastline of Zhuhai. This Fisher Girl statue has a beautiful and romantic folklore shared among locals. Si Girl is an angel or fairy na bumaba dito sa city. Since nagustuhan niya yung syudad, she decided to live here. Ngayon, na-inlove siya sa fisherman. Sa fisherman naman, may narinig siya about sa secret ni Girl, kaya kinonfront niya si Girl. And he wanted her to prove her love by giving him yung bracelet niya. But yung bracelet kasi, yan yung life ni Girl dito sa lupa. And to prove her love, she sacrificed her life by giving him the pearl. So dahil sa guilt ni fisherman, may isang elder na nakapagsabi sa kanya na merong tinatawag na resurrection grass na pag tinuluan mo ng dugo, mabubuhay yung girl. So yun yung ginawa ni fisherman. And until they live happily ever after. On our way to the opera house, we passed by Shanglu Bay and we saw the entrance of the Mingting Park. So, sabi ni guide, the Shanglu Bay is not originally a white sand beach and inabunuhan na daw to siya. We are now at Zhuhai Opera House, and we're here to take pictures and to see the building up close. If you recall, nakita na natin tong design na to when we were at Jinshan Cable Way. Ito yung nakita natin na shell-like design. So, ito yun siya. This is the entrance of the building. Again, hindi na po kami pumasok. So, we just went straight ahead doon sa location or yung area where we can take a better picture na makikita niyo talaga yung structure ng building. If you're like us na hindi na pumasok sa opera house and just wanted to see the building, yung structure, take a picture, pwede din kasi maraming pagkainan din dito, maraming restaurants, meron ding mga stores na pwede niyong pasukan. So, you really get to enjoy the place as well kahit na hindi kayo pumasok sa opera house. Before kami pumunta ng hotel, nag-drop by muna kami sa isang jade store dito sa Zhuhai City. Hindi ko na siya napakita kasi hindi din naman allowed mag-video sa loob. So this is our third and last hotel here in Milan, China. This is Century Hotel. Ito yung loob ng hotel room namin, napaka-modern. Though yung structure sa labas parang old na, no? Pero yung loob modern naman, malinis, maganda pa din, at saka most importantly, spacious talaga yung room niya. And this is the view of our hotel room. So, yung city, hindi siya super taas, but makikita niyo pa rin yung part ng city ng Zhuhai. Yan, so after checking in, tapos rest for a little while, lumabas ulit kami to take our dinner. Since hindi kasali yung dinner sa package, we had to look somewhere. And we decided
to go to the nearest mall sa na malapit sa hotel namin. And since it's very late already, close na actually yung mall and most of the restaurants there. So, merong McDonald's but we decided to just eat na lang sa 7-Eleven para naman matry namin yung 7-Eleven nila dito. So, that's the end of the third day of our South China trip dito sa Zhuhai City. So, thank you very much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!